whether Rahul Gandhi will be in jail and when. Today also, ED has seized many property of Robert Vadra. So I think there are many jail in India waiting for the Gandhis. So if from inside the jail he can arrest me, I don't know. But normally I know people who goes inside, they cannot arrest other people. So you see, he's just a MP today. How can he arrest the chief minister? So he has told in the meeting, write it down in the paper. Himanta Biswa Sarma will be put in his jail. Nobody has written. He has asked all the Congress member to write in the paper. So I asked Congress people, have you written in the paper? They said, no sir, वो तो फालतू बात बोल रहा था, हम क्यों लिखे? Nobody has written in the paper. So Congress people also do not give him any patta. He knows that he can utter any word. But by saying all these things, he proved that this is what Congress party will do for Assam. They will not talk of employment. They will not talk about our land. They will not talk about culture. Congress party will contest this election only on one agenda, that Himanta Biswa Sarma will be put behind bar. So who will vote for that party? Whose manifesto will be only one-liner manifesto? Nothing more, nothing less.